teddy bear. What that say? Oh,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yeah, exactly. What the fuck is you yelling for, nigga? Use your inside voice, nigga. You ain't outside on the.
Why you so confused, baby? I'm Bougetto.
Take away Satan. I see all these niggas hating, but my mind racing. I be in the clouds, they cannot me now. Mind racing, paper chasing. I see them niggas flaking.
What's up, Slimy gang? And today we're back with another Wipe Your Nose favorite. Should I say Wipe Your Nose favorite? Today you guys I'm gonna be doing, you see I got on my big lashes, big lashes. I'm gonna be doing a video on Quan today, and I'm not gonna necessarily say it's a prank, but it's like a prank slash a reaction video. It's like more of a reaction video type thing. We're gonna get his reaction to me being ratchet, classy, bougie, ratchet, acting stupid, what's happening. So y'all know how, baby, tell me the wing stop. What you mean? You know, I'm gonna put on my hoops. I'm gonna put on my little ratchet girl outfit. Hot girl summer, you know. So right now I'm chilling. You know, I'm chilling. Got on little chill vibes. But yes, I'll be back with y'all when I'm gonna get my attire. Period. Cause I'm gonna work his nerves. But I don't work jobs. Bitch, my job.
Boy, if you don't.
But we'll be right back. Get it right into this video. Period.
A few moments later.
We back from the gang and I'm ready to get ratchet. Let's get ratchet. Hey, let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet. No, but for real, it's time to get ratchet, boo boo. Y'all, do I put my shades on now? Do I put my shades on now? Hold on, let me show y'all what it's like when I put my shades on. Oh baby, what serving? Look, so you can catch me doing videos. Oh yeah, look at me, tatted bad, shawty tatted bad. Oh, you know I can't be ghetto girl without my tat showing on my chest when I have my shirt. Shawty bad. I'm gonna be like, where is the motherfucking blue honeys? Where's the blue honeys, baby? Cause if you can't go to Bella No Shade, where can we go? It's upsetting me and my hunger.
It's upsetting me and my homegirl, cause we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to Better No Chase, where the hell could you go?
No, but for real, baby, take me to Wingstop. Where's the blue honeys? Honey, where's the Impala? Where's the Scat Pack? No, me stop. No, but for real, I'm finna get on his nerves. Period. I'm finna tee up. So y'all go ahead, Team Rara, go ahead, subscribe, go ahead, spam them comments with Team Rara, cause I'm finna turn up. See how your boy Quan Cody reacts to this, all this red shit. Honey, show you how it's meant to be done. About to bring out my Western Heights on that nigga. What? What? You don't know about that, do ya? You don't know about that Riahthathugg from the Heights, do ya? Oh, my tattoo coming off already. Yeah, we be right back. Slimy gang.
Bruh, how is it that y'all females say y'all don't got nothing to do, y'all ready, but then y'all take 50 minutes, an hour, 10 years to come out the house, and then when you come out the house, you go back in the house? What? That don't even make no sense. Why do y'all take so long, bro? It's annoying, man. My neck hurt, bro. And it's hot. Dang, bro. Y'all the slowest people in history.
A few moments later.
I keep my baby locked. I ain't fucking with no random spirit. You bitches, we can just create. I let it out of the kids. Hey. How you doing today?
Fam, why you always taking forever, bro? Like,
I just had to.
no.
I just had to, you know, put on my
I don't know.
minks. You know, I have to put on my little outfits for today. That's it. That's it. That's it.
You look like you got peacock feathers on your shit.
No. Sweetie, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. If it ain't 25 millimeters or more, then what are you doing?
Like I said, peacock. The fuck? Taking off fucking day. It's hot outside.
So pretty.
Nigga hungry and shit. Bro, what is you doing? Put your seatbelt on right, nigga.
Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater, okay?
Alright, bro. When your ass smack the fuck
So, what it do is some Wingstop. Wingstop. We want a Wingstop today or no? Is we going to Wingstop today or no?
Bro, who is you yelling at first of all?
Okay, look, check this out.
I don't know what the fuck you on.
Check this out, sweetie.
You check this out.
You ain't say nothing about my tag. Look at it. Glistening. We glowing today, sweetie. We glowing today. We glowing today. You hear me? Check that. See that? We tear it back. Let me put on. We put on the shades for you. So we see. Why are you looking like it?
You got issues. This nigga done came out the house, went back in the house just to write some shit on yourself, bro. It's not even.
This bin right here. What you talking about?
Is it bin right there?
I wouldn't think I want to drink.
Is it bin right there? Oh. Since when?
Tatted by Dre. Get it together, okay? Tats by Dre. You ain't know? You ain't know? Tats by Dre. Oh, he from the hood. You ain't. I ain't tell you about that. That's low key hookup. Low key hook. You wanna go?
Oh, hell no!
No. Because if you do work like that, then
Tats by
trash.
Riahthathugg boo. Y'all know like Riahthathugg boo.
Trash. Why is you yelling, bro? Why is you doing all that boo extra shit, bro? Clapping your hands and shit, bro. Like chill.
I ain't even clap my hands.
Okay, we stop doing all that hand movement. Like, bro, that's not even needed. Now, why is you whipping your neck? You got whiplash or something?
Are you okay?
Are you?
You
okay?
seem a little tense, a little pressed, a little salty.
About what?
I don't know, sweetie. But let's go get some Henny. It's Tuesday. The club going up on a Tuesday. Got to in the Wingstop.
First of all, that song is
Henny, Wingstop. What it do? Henny,
years old,
Wingstop.
bro.
What it do?
And then,
I mean, we could do
club
some
is
we
definitely
pay.
not
Well,
gonna
I got bro like that.
bro, why is you talking over me, nigga? Damn. What the fuck is you yelling for, nigga? Use your inside voice, nigga. You ain't outside on the fucking playground. Fuck.
Sweetie,
The sun ain't even hitting you, so I don't even know why you put them.
yeah, it is. The
Where?
sun right there.
Where?
It's right there.
Where?
Yeah, right there.
The sun is on my side.
Yes, it.
It ain't
Yes,
hitting me.
it.
No, I didn't see it.
Anger. You seem a little angry. You seem a little angry,
Why
sweetie.
you got plasma screen TVs on your face, dude?
It's not plasma screen. This is called Fashion 101. Sweetie, duh.
Why did you keep clapping your fucking hands and saying sweetie? And
Okay,
then nigga,
look,
you just put the glasses on, but you gonna take them off. You don't even know if you want to wear them or take them off. Like,
No, because I feel like
No.
you're not taking me serious
about
enough.
what? What am I supposed to be taking you serious?
Wingstop, sweetie, what you mean?
Nigga, you got
And
Wingstop
some-
money?
And some Henny.
You got
Y'all.
Henny money?
Wait, where the blue honey's? Cause you and where the scat pack?
You
I
the
mean, you ain't got no.
You the one asking for Wingstop and Henny.
I mean,
And do you have Scat Pat money? Oh,
I mean,
I forgot.
I mean,
I forgot you on my whip right now.
I mean, Charger.
You can use them feet. That's what you want to do. Let me let you out right here.
Look, check this out. Check
Let
this
you out right here.
No, why would you do that? Why would you do that? No,
let you
let's
out.
go. Let's go.
We can let you out. You know what I'm saying?
No, sweetie,
There
come
go
on,
the
look.
dough, bro.
Come on, we don't need a whole lot of traffic. We don't
Ain't
need a
nobody
whole lot of
holding no
traffic.
traffic, bro.
Unless you want me to hold the traffic, cause baby, y'all can so fuck up.
I don't know what you want.
He needs some milk.
You got me over here stopping in the middle of the street and shit.
Threw me out the window. I was just trying
Then
to
sit
show
your
you.
ass down, bro.
I was just about to clap that thing for you, you know.
Clap what? Them flapjacks you got?
No, baby, don't do that. I was gonna show you.
No,
That's the thing. Don't sleep. Cause baby, I'll go to the strip club. Oh yeah, show you some flapjacks.
You gonna go to the strip club?
Back. Come on with them
They
bam
gonna do
bams.
your ass like they did Girl on Players.
Blue honey.
Fuck is you talking about? Fuck is you talking about?
So witty look.
First of all, I'm not just so sweetie. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Okay.
Stop saying that. There's so much emphasis.
Okay, look. Wingstop?
No.
Okay, look.
I don't care. Okay. Don't talk to me if you can't talk normal, my nigga. I don't even know who you are right now, my nigga.
I'm talking normal, baby.
No, you're not.
Talking normal.
You're doing a little bit too much.
You're talking crazy. And where is the Wingstop?
Damn, son, where'd you
You know
find
what?
this?
You right. State 48. State 48. State 48, boo. Tell me to State 48. You know what? Juicy
There ain't even no State 48 here.
I know. We gonna make that trip. Fuck you, me. Juicy crowd, me, boo.
You gassing up the whip? You gassing up the whip?
Yeah, what's that? It's whatever. I mean, you wanna play? I mean, it's whatever.
Nigga pulled out her wallet. Where the money at, nigga? Where the cash at?
Don't be surprised if he asks for the cash.
You got your rabbit ass mind?
Are you?
The fuck is you smoking in here?
Oh.
The fuck is that?
Oh. You ain't took me to get no Henny, so I mean.
And I put that motherfucker on before I throw that bitch out the window.
What you mean? You ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't gonna throw nothing out no window. Honey, you is tripping.
I'm gonna see if this old man wants you.
He might want some. He might be my sugar
daddy. Yeah, he was gonna sugar daddy hang your ass.
What you mean? Don't be a hater. I was gonna have some.
Don't.
Oh,
Put your hand over here.
Look at this skimming ass fish ass nigga. I could have had it right there. I could have had his whole debit card. Scamming on
Bro, can you stop doing that, bro?
You about to throw me through the windshield.
Sit the fuck down!
Okay.
I was trying to twerk this.
No!
ass.
Don't nobody want to see nothing like that. I'm driving.
Oh shit. Here we go.
The fuck? Acting like a little ass kid, nigga. Done lost your motherfucking marbles in this bitch. This ain't no fucking party bus.
Stop me, please.
Nigga, I hope you can order it. Order it yourself. DoorDash.
You know what?
No, I don't know what, and I don't care what.
Let's go to Red Lobster.
No.
You looking like you want some Red Lobster. What Beyonce say? You better take it to Red Lobster. Oh, look.
Bro, you really making
Okay, look. Look, sweetie, look. You seem a little tense, so let's make this trip to go get some Henny. Or maybe it's some Douce that you want. Maybe it's some Douce that you want. Ooh.
You doing
I don't know.
Bro, you're doing way too fucking
Where we at?
Nope. You smell that? It smells like burning bodies. Oh my God. Take you over there where they at. You smell good.
I don't want to go over there.
Well, then sit the fuck down.
Baby, they might.
Like, damn.
Oh, it's a hoe that did. And where we at? It's a little country.
Yeah. That's where you from. You ain't from the fucking hood. So I don't know why you trying to act.
Baby, you don't know about that Western Heights Riahthathugg teddy bear. What that say?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yeah, exactly. Because it's trash.
Yeah, that's my
trash.
What's going on now?
Who the fuck is Dre? Who is Dre?
You don't need to know about Dre.
You ain't. When did you get the tattoo?
You don't need to know about
When did you get the tattoo? When did you get it?
You might
Just
be
tell me when you got the tattoo.
If you know about Dre.
Give a fuck about Dre. Fuck
You
Dre.
gonna want him to do your tattoos. You don't want him to do your tattoos right there on your arm, on your face, maybe. 21 Savage you.
You got issues, bro.
I don't have issues.
You got issues, bro.
I want some juicy crowd.
Then you're yelling. You about to make me wreck the fucking car. Like, dude, chill out. hell out. And why you got your elbow?
Just apply that pressure. All you gotta do is apply that pressure. Matter of fact, where the plug at? Is you the plug? No. So see, What? You ain't. Oh my goodness, it's too much. Can you play the sauna, baby? Then, since you want to play the game, can you do that? Play some, some little Detroit shit, Check this out. Check this out.
Check this out. I'm gonna need you to calm down because my head is hurting. Stop yelling because my head is beating. Like you doing all that.
Oh.
See that right there? That's not needed, fam. Don't do all that extra shit with your voice. Like, I know you know how to talk normal. I done talked to you normal before. So,
I'm talking normal. You seem a little confused.
You too fucking animated, nigga. What is you, a
seem a little confused
character?
for the vlog. We just supposed to be going to get something to eat and going back to do a mukbang. Period.
My neck hurt. My whole body hurt.
I just want some wings.
What order them, fam?
Where my lip gloss? 'Cause I need some more. This ain't enough. Where is it? Let me find out. Somebody done got my lip gloss. Cause that's how you fight somebody one-on-one.
Who the fuck is in the passenger seat?
He said who in the passenger seat. That means he might want me to.
No, I don't want you. I'm asking God, who is this person? Because I don't know you. I don't know what you're on.
Why you so confused, baby? I'm Bougetto.
Oh my God! Wow!
Bougetto.
Oh, okay.
I'm Bougetto, baby. You don't know what that is? Riahthathugg.
Thanks for telling me your name, Bougetto. Alright, so Bougetto, who the fuck are you? And how the fuck you end up in my car, nigga? Because I don't know no Bougetto.
Bougetto, that mean I'm bougie and I'm ghetto, baby. What you mean?
What the fuck, nigga?
You seem a little too confused, sweetie. A little too confused.
No, you're confused.
No, I'm.
Looks like you woke up and changed personality.
I know what's going on.
Okay, that's good. I'm
Need
glad.
to apply that pressure, sweetie. Just apply that pressure.
No.
What you mean?
Get dragged too.
Take me to the plug. I
To
know.
apply more pressure on that damn tattoo.
Beats about to.
that shit coming off.
beats. I mean tats.
Yeah.
Oh my
now he do
goodness.
beats. So now he do beats.
Yeah, he can do a beat for you. What you talking about? He can make a beat for you and
If
do
it's
your
anything like that tat, look like that shit just gonna be a wash off beat, nigga.
No, ain't no wash off.
Cause it look like you got a wash off tat, nigga.
He gonna have you over here signing deals, signing
So
labels.
how much you pay for your tat, fam?
Oh, he did it for free.
Oh, so you was sucking a little dick?
No, sweetie, don't get it twisted. He did it for free because I said I ain't know if I wanted him to do it or not.
What?
So he did it for
What
free.
kind of artists just say, alright, if you don't know if you want me to do it or not, I'll just do it for free.
He said he wanted to show me a sample. He wanted to show me a sample.
Yeah, that was a fucking weak ass sample, nigga.
For free.
Yeah, cause all he did was outline your shit. I hope that ain't even a tat, fam. He outlined your shit.
I'm going back for another session.
Oh, so now it ain't finished. Now it ain't
Why
finished.
you gotta be a hater then?
Why are you hating on yourself?
I'm not being a hater on myself,
Yeah,
baby.
you are.
I love myself.
You went and drew some shit on you and said,
I love myself,
dude gave you a tat.
baby.
You
What
discrediting
you
this
mean?
tattoo artist, fam. That's
You ain't
fucked
seen
up.
my tat on my leg, sweetie? I feel sure. He did that one too.
Fam, put your fucking shoes on. Fuck. This ain't where you get comfortable, nigga. This ain't the fucking couch, nigga.
Are we going to Wingstop or no? Because the
Bro.
people waiting on the food.
Bro, I'm gonna need you to shut that shit the fuck up. You feel me? You wanna act ratchet, nigga?
What you mean at Ratchet? Sweetie, I'm Ratchet.
Alright, cool.
Let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet. She said she cuter than Holly and sweet on the channel.
Bro, stop doing that shit. Alright, bro. Fuck
Okay, I'm done.
Nah, fuck it,
Dang,
nigga. Fuck it, nigga.
Oh, where you taking
Fuck it,
me?
nigga. Bear traps, nigga.
Huh?
Bee traps, nigga.
Bee trap?
Yeah.
I'm good. I don't know what
bro,
that means.
Shut up.
Tools, bee
Shut up.
traps. I'm scared.
Shut up. Damn. I had to shut your. Damn. Niggas always talking too much. Yeah. Making that shit cool, bro. That shit ain't cool. Shit is annoying, bro. Fucked up a whole nigga vibe, man. Nigga was chilling in a smooth ass fashion. Then a ratchet motherfucker named Boujetta gonna come out here.
Boujetta, get it together.
Yeah,
Boy, if you don't
go back to the fucking ghetto, cause this is not it. This is not it.
Oh my goodness.
This ain't it, bro.
You mad?
No.
You pressed a little bit? You look pressed?
I'm just taking you back to the crib.
No, okay. I don't want you to take me back to the crib.
No.
Okay, look. Can I tell you something?
No, I don't want to hear shit you gotta say.
Can you tell? I want to tell you something.
Shh. Can you be
Listen.
quiet? Can you be quiet for a minute?
Yeah.
Go ahead. 402. If you can be quiet for a whole minute, I'll let you say something. Actually, part 403 because it's probably about to be 402 right now. Don't say nothing. Don't even look over here, bro. Get your hand off my armrest, bro.
Let's kill somebody.
You almost killed me. Fuck. Ghetto ass shit. Swear that shit cute, don't you? Swear that shit cute. I'm Boujetta. Shit is not cute, bro. Shit's stupid as hell. Don't look at me, nigga. I saw you look over here, bro. Your tattoo is trash, fam. I don't want to see it. The vlog don't want to see it. It's trash. Leave them people alone. Lord have mercy.
It's 4:03. I just wanted to tell you.
No, if you gonna talk to me in that voice, don't tell me a damn thing. You feel me? If you ain't talking normal, don't tell me shit, bro. Come on, man.
It's just a prank.
Oh, hell no!
Shit out my face.
I was just trying to get your reaction to me being ghetto. Pop that thing, pop that thing. I don't think he liked that one too much, y'all, but he don't. He don't really like me when I be ghetto. When I be sassy, cool, ratchet. Like,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know what the fuck you saying?
sassy, boozy, ratchet. Alright, Subby gang. It seems like I made him a little saucy for the day.
Fuck out of here.
Alright, Subby gang, we be back with another banger. We out. Stay tuned for another one. We lit.
Take away Satan. I see all these niggas hating.